Hello guys! Welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to use ChatGPT for productivity. There are a few ways you can use ChatGPT to increase your productivity. First is task management. You can use ChatGPT as a task manager. Simply create a list of tasks that you need to complete and ask ChatGPT to remind you of them at a specific time or date. For example, like this one, remind me to finish my report at 3 p.m. tomorrow. ChatGPT will send you a notification at the specified time, ensuring that you don't forget any important task. Time management. You can also use ChatGPT to manage your time more effectively. For example, you could ask ChatGPT to remind you to take a break every hour. Or to schedule a specific time for certain activities like exercise or reading. ChatGPT can also help you track how much time you spend on specific tasks or project, which can help you identify areas where you can improve your productivity. Next is brainstorming. If you're stuck on a project or problem, ChatGPT can help you brainstorm ideas. Simply describe the problem or project to ChatGPT and ask for suggestions. ChatGPT can provide you with new ideas and perspective that you may not have considered. Research. ChatGPT can also be used for research. If you need to find information on a specific topic, simply ask ChatGPT to search for it. ChatGPT can provide you with articles, research papers, and other relevant information that can help you complete your work more quickly and effectively. Writing assistance. If you're struggling with writing, ChatGPT can help you out. You can ask ChatGPT to provide you with ideas for your writing or to check your grammar and spelling. You can even ask ChatGPT to generate content for your writing project. Overall, ChatGPT can be a powerful tool for increasing productivity. By leveraging its capabilities, you can streamline your workflow, manage your time more effectively, and generate new ideas and insights that can help you complete your work more quickly and efficiently. So that's it. I hope that you learned something and this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below and make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. Thanks!